in today's session, we will talk about um, how to make your videos more interactive, more appealing, also how to share your videos on Pictory. Okay, so that's what our session is going to be. Firstly, let me tell you what elements are and what or where you could use them. On Pictory, elements means anything or any additional decorative item that you're using on your video. It could be, in this case or in Pictory's case, we have stickers, we have GIFs, we have emojis. You can go ahead and use this to make your videos more appealing, visually appealing, basically. That's what you could, use elements for. Also make it more interactive. Now, coming to these three tabs that you see when you click on elements, firstly coming to stickers. Stickers, if you ask me where or what you would search for, I would use it, say, in the beginning and in the end of my video, where I can just say, welcome to my channel or welcome to my video. So I can just go ahead, type welcome here. And to make it more appealing, I think I would use a GIF or a GIF. Let me just go ahead, type in welcome here. And you see all the GIFs that have welcome in it will show up here. And we use Jiffy or Giphy for our GIF library. We are, integrated with them, and that's where all these GIFs come from. You can go ahead, just type anything. Now I'll just start with my scene. The first scene, this is where it says welcome. I'm just gonna go ahead and just say welcome aboard. Okay, that's my GIF right there on the scene. You can also go ahead and move your GIF wherever you want to. You can place it or position it just by dragging it around. You can also use the grid right here on the top left to position your GIF. Just go ahead, click on the, the box that you see. That'll let you move your GIF around. You don't have to manually go ahead and move it around. That's where I would use a GIF. Now, again, to end your video, you would say thank you. You can just go ahead, type thank you, and you will see all the GIFs related or all the GIFs that say thank you on it. You can just go ahead and use that on your outro or on the last scene in your video. Okay. Now, coming to stickers. A very interesting thing here. I had one of my client calls the other day, and a user was using a sticker, like a specific sticker, a very specific appealing sticker that match the videos that he was creating, and he was using that particular sticker as a logo. Okay, just to show his brand there, he was using it as a logo. You could also try that. Again, this is not um, this is open to everybody, so not necessary your logo is only for you. There could be other people, just like how I've used a GIF here. You could use a sticker. So let's just say, so we were discussing before this, we were talking about a watermark. Oh, the watermark doesn't show anything. Sorry about that. Let's just go with a logo. That also doesn't pull anything. I'm sorry. Let's say pet. Does that pull something? Oh, it pulls. Okay. So let's just say this one right here. I can use this as a logo. Let's remove the GIF for now. Now, if you want to remove any of these, it could be stickers, GIFs, or emojis, you have the delete icon right here. Okay, now when you want to delete this, you just click on the sticker and you will see the delete icon right here. All right, coming to emojis, let's go to another scene. And again, you have a wide variety of emojis here. Say I want to use anything random. It says nesting dolls. I'm going to be clicking on that, and that will be applied on my video. Again, I can drag it and position it wherever I want it to be. Okay, I can just position it. I can either move it around, drag it and move it around, or I can use the grid that's available right here. Now, next to the grid, you also see two other icons. One is flip horizontal. Now, on this, you wouldn't really see the difference. Let's pick one that is direction specific. So, um, okay, you see this log here. Let me show it to you on a white screen. Let's get this here. Okay, so I have this log. I can go ahead and use flip horizontal to turn it the other way. Just like how you mirror an image, that's what flip horizontal does. And flip vertical is turning it upside down. So if you want this to be turned upside down, you can go ahead and use flip vertical. The same thing can be done on GIFs and stickers as well. You can go ahead and flip them horizontally as well as vertically. Another thing that can be done. So let's go with another. Let's go to a GIF maybe because we haven't really used one. So let's do boy. Okay, let's use this GIF right here. I'm going to be using this right here. Now, say I want to use now if it's like a logo that I'm using, then I would want it on all my scenes to have the same GIF or sticker or emoji on all the scenes. I just have to go click on the GIF and you will see copy to all scenes. You can go ahead, click on copy to all scenes. This will be applied to all the scenes in your video. Okay. Now, if you want to say you've applied this or you've used this in the beginning, and then you go ahead, make some changes on your storyboard, you change the text, you make all such edits, and then you come back here and you feel, why have it only on one corner? Let me have it on the other corner. If you want to do that, you can just go click on it and duplicate it. Okay. Now, again, whatever I'm doing with the GIF can also be done with a sticker as well as an emoji. You can duplicate it, you can apply it to all scenes. And if you don't like it, if you feel it's a lot on the screen, you can just go ahead and delete it as well for all the three. Okay. Now coming back to how to use it, you can use it as a decorative item. You can just if you're creating a very plain video, you can use this to make it more appealing, more attractive. You can use your stickers as logos or watermarks. Okay, you can just go ahead, put it on your scenes and have it on all the scenes. And same thing with emojis, you can use them to just make your visuals more lively, just make it. And also if you are doing an animated video, this will really help. The emojis will really look nice on animated videos. That's about elements, pretty simple. It's all right there. You can just go ahead, search for anything, and you will be able to find your gift stickers or emojis. Now, once you've created your video using this, um, like I was saying, if you have put a sticker as a watermark, okay, if you've used a sticker as a watermark, let's try that as well. So I'll use this sticker and I'll just go ahead. I'll just put it to one corner and I'm going to be putting it on all scenes. Now it's there on all my scenes. I'm just using it like a watermark. Again, I can go ahead, resize. I can just go ahead. You will see this little thing that lets you resize your logo or your sticker. You can just go ahead, resize it, and then generate your video. Okay. Now, after generating the video, earlier what you would have to do on Pictory was you would have to generate it, download it, and then go ahead, share it with other users, or um, basically it had to come out of Pictory to be shared outside or shared with another user. Now, what we've introduced is video hosting and sharing, which is the second topic for today, video hosting and sharing. I'll show you how this can be done, and this is all going to be within Pictory. So once your video is generated, you will see it under My Projects. I will also show you what is the difference here. How would you know which one is a video and not a and which one is a project file? So a project file on Pictory is something that you're currently working on, which is not done. still work in progress, and your video will have this video sign here, that you have created a video out of it. Now, I'll just go ahead and okay. Now, if you see, I've created highlight videos out of this project that I was working on, the Pearl City. And these are my highlight videos. It's just taking a while to show up the thumbnail, but each of your highlight video will have a thumbnail on it. If you look at your videos, you will see this little link on each of it. These are the links for that particular highlight video or that video. Now, I'm specifically talking about highlights only because I wanted to show you how you can share multiple videos at once, multiple clips at once. If not, if it's just a single video, you can just go ahead, click on this share, the link here. When you do this, it will show you generating link and link has been copied. You can just go ahead and, paste it anywhere, or if you're sharing it with somebody, you can go ahead, share it. You don't have to download, you don't have to do anything. Just copy the link, put it on an email, or put it anywhere. You could, if you're sharing it on your social media platforms, just use this link, paste it there, and they will be able to view the video. Yeah, just like how you see, I've only used a single one. You see that right here. Okay. Now, coming back to the highlight videos, which is, say, I want to go ahead and share all of these at once. I can just go ahead, select all of them together. Okay. And you can still go ahead and share all of them at once. Yeah, this is how it will show you. I'm not sure what is, there's some error that's showing up, but it should not be showing up this way. However, once you go ahead, generate your video and click on the share link, you will be able to share all the videos or all the highlight clips at one go. You go ahead, share that one link, and they will be able to view all this again on the Pictory page itself. Okay, it's not going out of Pictory, it's within Pictory. And whoever you're going to send this to, if they wish to use the same tool, if they want to create videos like you, they can also go ahead and sign up just by clicking here. Okay. Now, if you want to download your video from here, you can also go ahead and use the download option. You will also have the option to download the text that is there, which is your subtitles. You can go ahead and download the text that is there within each clip. You can just click on download text here. That's about how you go ahead and share your video through Pictory. You're not taking it out of Pictory, it's still on Pictory. Whoever you're sharing it with can also go ahead, view it on Pictory, and sign up if they like the product. So that's pretty much how to use your elements and how to share your video within Pictory. Uh, Pretty simple, but if you still have any questions, I'm open to questions. Here to answer your questions. Just stop sharing the, yeah, I've just stopped sharing what my screen, and now I'm open to answering questions. You can go ahead, type your questions in the Q&A section there. Yes, Britton, I will be sharing the recording with you. It will also be available on Facebook as well as on the Pictory, I mean the YouTube Pictory channel. You can go ahead and view it there as well. When you say you want to add your own videos, yes, you can. You can absolutely go ahead and upload your own visuals in between scenes. You can also directly start with your own visuals. So if you're doing it, like for example, this is the project file, okay, and you want to add something in between this, you can absolutely do just by clicking on customize highlights video. You can just click on customize. It'll take you to the next page where it'll let you add your own visuals. Okay. And if you're referring to, yeah, this is how you will see it. And under visuals, you can go ahead, click on my uploads here. Yeah, my uploads. And then you can go ahead, upload your own visual, use it for that scene or the set of linked scenes. All your linked scene will have the same visual. If not, if you just want to work on that specific uh, video, or If you want to have that visual on a script to video, then you can go ahead, start with a script and just put it as a direct visual on your script as well, or on your project as well. Not sure if I've answered your question, but please let me know if I have not. When you say company logo, as long as your company as a template, the template includes the logo, but your logo itself is not the template. The template includes the font that you're using, the intro, the outro, everything that you're using is included in the template. If you want to use your company's logo, you can absolutely do that under branding. You can go ahead, upload the logo, and apply it to your video. Okay, I see that Drew has given an article on how to insert your own educational videos in between. You can use that. Thank you, Judy. Currently, no, there's no way of making it transparent. You can make your logos, like the opacity of the logo can be changed, but not of the stickers or the GIFs or the emojis. Those will be just like how you see it on the left, that's how you would see it on the right on your scene. Yes, Steve, the short videos or the highlight videos can be uploaded on YouTube. It's just like any other video, just that a shorter version. And now, since shorts are in trend, I think highlight videos are more used compared to the longer version of the video. Yes, Rose, you can go ahead, share Pictory videos on YouTube. All the content on Pictory is licensed, so you don't have to worry about anything. Uh, Mihai, if your logo is not a rectangle or a square, then you will see the even after putting the logo, you will see a part of your screen, since the top right will still be seen, top or bottom, wherever you're putting it. Since it's a triangle, you will still see that margin there. Yeah, it will not really let you put it to the margin, but you can manually go ahead, drag it till the extreme right or left. You can do that. Britain, if you are uploading a video or a visual with audio in it, you can go ahead and mute the audio. I'll just show it to you. I'll just show you how to do it. None of my visuals in this video have audio in it, so I don't know. Yeah, you see this mute uploaded video. You just have to turn this on to mute any audio that's there in your video, which means your uploaded video's audio will be muted and won't be heard. You can go ahead, use a voiceover or anything of that sort. Oh, I'm not sure if I showed you that, but if you haven't seen it, this is where you do it. Under settings, you have mute uploaded video. Turn this on, and if it is for all the scenes, make sure you select apply to all. All your uploaded visuals will be on mute. Judy, I'm not sure why the logo is blurring out. Could you send us an email on support@pictory.ai? We will look at the project for you and see what we can do to resolve that. That shouldn't be happening, but yeah. Any other questions? Yes, I'm sorry I was not sharing the screen during that time when I spoke. Uh, but yes, yes, Judy, we will wait for your email. Any other questions? I'll also put our email ID here in case you want to reach out to, either Dhruv or me for be it a one-on-one training session or any questions that you have. You can just reach out to us here. Okay, both of us put it there. You can use that email ID to. That's a wonderful question, Mihai. We currently do not have the option to upload your own elements. It's only the elements that are there in the library. Yes, that's right. It's in the roadmap, and we'll let you know when it's ready. Thank you, Britton. Thank you, Gail. We don't have an ETA on that yet, but we'll be happy to let you know when it's ready. Um, how long are your short segment videos, Steve? If they are within 25 MB, which means if they are less than 25 MB, then you can use the fourth use case. Let me show it to you again. If you're using visuals that are less than 25 MB, you can use the visuals to video. Just go ahead, click on proceed, upload all your visuals, and you can create a video or stitch together small video clips. That can be done. But if it's more than 25 MB, then we currently do not have an option. We, yeah, this is the only option. Does that answer your question, Steve? Was I able to answer you, Steve? Please let me know if your question is not answered. Be happy to answer it for you. Steve, if you could confirm that you've got your answer. If not, happy to help you. I hope there are no other questions, but if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us on the email that I've shared. Um, if not, then we can end the session here. Thank you so much for taking time out to join this session. I will be sharing the link with you shortly, and we will see you in 2 weeks with a different topic, something more interesting. And yeah, thank you so much. Have a nice day. Have a nice night. Bye bye. Take care.